My name is Music Phil. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at the lawns of Willie's Thatch Roof, and this is Yardstyle Live presents. Yardstyle Live presents is brought to you by Willie's Thatch Roof, Oasis in the city.
Willie's Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Oasis in the city. Willie's Thatch Roof. Oasis in the city.
Hey Willie, what's for lunch?
Willie's Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's performance on Yardstyle Live presents is Althea Hewitt.
Greeting, Massive and crew. It is so nice. It's so nice to be right here. So, on the lawns of Willie's Thatch Roof Restaurant, Bar. Nice. The food tastes nice. You see. No need for come down here.
Chill spot. On behalf of Willie's Thatch Roof Yardstyle Live, we're going to say happy birthday to you.
You treating me to food today?
Don't worry about that, man. I give you the world. Don't worry about food. The world, me I give you. The world. You see me? So you don't know it's all about the Music Field Reggae Show, Yardstyle Live. And this beautiful artist, you kick off my life. Yeah, you were the first artist. So the rest of the artists who are passed through, make them know, say, I'll tell you it, she did it. Yeah, you understand me? And if I say big respect to you, because you're forward 2 times, and you get messed up with, the...
But it's alright, time, man. Them say you always arrive on time and I work with late.
No, I want to hear Jamaica again at the new airline.
Oh, my Lord.
Stopping at the middle of the year and pick up people. What them name again?
Lord. No, we're not got no.
Not call them name, but you know them.
No.
Big up Air Jamaica, love or no?
We're not discriminating.
Yeah, that's it go. But anyway, people, this is the beautiful Althea. She was on Yardstyle Live. And right now she's on the lawns of Willie's Thatch Roof. And this is the Music Field Reggae Show, Yardstyle Live. So what can kick it off with?
You already start playing Do Me
All
Baby.
right.
We could just do Me Baby and done, man. We have other tunes. We have enough of them. So we can share that one here first with them now.
What you say must play?
Do Me Baby.
All right, do that. Ready, let's go. I'll tell you, Yardstyle Live.
I miss a Do Me. You got me waiting. Come on and do me. And baby, stop pretending. Hey. Here we are in this big old empty room, staring each other down. You want me just as much as I want you, yeah. So let's stop fooling around. Take me, baby, and kiss me all over. Honey, play with my love. Oh, bring out what's been in me for far too long. Baby, you know that's all I've been dreaming of. Do me, baby, like you've never done before. Oh, give it to me until I just can't take no more. Come on, do me, baby, like you've never done before. Whoa, I want to know, I just can't wait no more. Here we are, looking for a reason for you to lay me down. For a love like ours is never out of season. Baby, please stop teasing me. I know what to do. See, I could never love no other. You're the best I've ever had. Hey. whenever we're not close to one another. You don't know I need you so bad. Music feel long, oh yeah. Do it, baby.
Sure will.
Like you never done before. Give it to me until I just can't take no more music. Feel me, say it to me, baby. Don't like it, and don't get jealous. Yeah, and don't get jealous. Whoa, yeah. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. All right.
Althea Hewitt, hailing from the 4th Street Sisters in the early 90s. She's a soulful reggae / dancehall artist, pioneer female singer that has owned her own sound. Ready, introducing on the lawns of Yardstyle Live, Althea Hewitt. Ready, let's go. Happy birthday.
See it, you know. Reggae to the world. Hey, yeah. So put your glass in the air. Who Jah bless, no one curse, yeah. Raise your glass. Raise your glass. Let's give thanks. We work long and hard. Let's drink to that. So want it. I know get it. I know want it. I know get it. I know want it. Listen, open up your eyes. The world is not as bad as it seems. We got lots to smile about. We woke this morning. You can dream, hear and see. You can dream, you can breathe. And just a blessing. Be grateful. Look into the mirror. Face yourself. Keep up the fight. We got a long way to go. Raise your glass and give thanks. We work long and hard, people. Let's drink to that. Hey, raise your glass. Let's give thanks. We work long and hard. Let's drink to that. Bills are paid. Now you can play. You have friends, a family. You give love and give love. The sun is shining, we're above the ground. Open up your eyes. Many rivers we have crossed. Stop looking sad and trodden down. Your journey just begun, yeah. Raise your glass. Let's give thanks. We work long and hard. Let's drink to that. Want it. I like get it. I know want it. I know get it. I know want it. Hey, Spoogy, allow me to tell. Oh God. Come put your glass in the air. Oh, just give thanks and give praises. Yeah. I miss a who Jah bless, no one curse. Yeah. Just give thanks
And praise.
all the time.
Again.
Prayers up to all the music field family and audiences out there.
And again,
Twin.
let me say,
Big up yourself.
happy birthday.
Oh.
Althea Hewitt has songs such as To Serve With Love, Do Me Baby, and countless other singles. She has been on several stage shows, local and overseas. Althea Hewitt on Yardstyle Live on the lawns of Willie's That Truth. Ready, let's go.
You see that one I know? Now big up all of the women them out there, because we have too much obsessive man. We want to tell them, say, them not own way. Them to behave them little self. See it? Yeah. You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can't go with other boys. And don't tell me what to do. the lyrics I'm fine. Listen again. You don't own me.
For real?
I'm not one of your many, many toys. No romantic piece, no. Sure. And I don't tell you what to do. See, I don't tell you what to say. Let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. I'm young, and I love to be young. I'm free, and I love to be free. To live my life the way I want. To say and do whatever I please. Oh yes. You don't know me. Yeah. All of the abusers out there getting the thing straight now. Here. All of the women there, I'm just picking up. Yeah. I said don't tell me what to do. And don't tell me what to say. Just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. I don't tell you what to say. I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. 'Cause you don't own me. I am not one of the many toys. Don't say I can't be with other boys. Don't try to change me. Oh no. You don't own me.
For real?
Don't tie me down, 'cause I'll never change. Althea Hewitt, I say. See it there.
Little known fact about Althea Hewitt. She's also an actress.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready, let's
This is an
go.
emergency broadcast. The unpleasant noise
Right,
you're about
that's
to
it.
hear coming from your radio is not a mistake.
That's how we do it. Yeah, that's how we do it. Right, just up on music fill.
From the #1 station,
Number one.
you come.
Oh, he's the last of the wicked selectors. Yeah, last of the wicked selectors. Last of the wicked. Hey, he's gonna come my way. Oh, when he comes my way, last of the wicked selectors. Music fill. The last of the wicked selectors. Last of the wicked. Someone is gonna die today, like he did that day. He's always moving, always cruising. He's not fooling around. Such a playboy, not a day boy, looking me up and down. I won't go, I don't care. I will be his beyond compare. I'm not cruel, I'm not shy. I'm falling for a selector guy. That's a guy on the last of the wicked selectors. Last of the wicked selectors. Last of the wicked. He's gonna come my way. Oh, when he comes my way, the last of the wicked music is the last of the wicked selectors. Yes, last of the wicked. Someone is gonna die today, like he did. I'll go with him, love to kiss him, never will tie him down. So misleading, says he's leaving, but he's still hanging around. I won't go, I don't care. I will be his beyond compare. I'm not cruel, I'm not shy. I'm falling for a selector guy. The first time I see you was at Dancehall Thursday. I celebrated with my friends on her birthday. The clash it's sweet, love how you play the reggae beat. My mommy tell you, say me love how you do it. See, look how long we did the move one time. 2 to nothing, you come back in a fine style. Burn on the place, son, why did we treat? This is how the love began. Make we put it on repeat.
I'll tell you, never know. That's Will.
No, I can't DJ it. Just that I don't indulge in it too much, but I do it.
No, but like, you drop it in a while ago, and I was like, you have got to start DJ for we too, you know.
Oh, Lord.
Anyway, people, as we say again, this is the Music Field Reggae Show. We're on the lawns of Willie's Truth, and I have to say it every time. Big up Father Willie. If I pass you 10 times, I get 1,000 heal. Happy birthday again. Althea Hewitt on the lawns of Willie's Truth. Ready, let's go. Music Field Reggae Show.
Hey, oh, funky for Jamaica. Oh, hey, yo. Jamaica funk, that's what it is. Yeah. Let it get into you. Come on, I've got to go for you. You know where I will be. Funky for Jamaica. If you feel it, let it get into you. I don't make a funk, and that's what it is. Hey, hey. Let it get into you. But it's in our heartbeat, in our soul. Love sweet Jamaica, whether you come in from the cold, funky vibes are going. No matter where you're going, whether you're on the beach or in the street, yo, just let it flow. Jamaica fun, that's what it is. Yeah, let it get into you. Oh, come on, I've got to go for you. You know where I will be. Listen, so here at the club, like we have some fun now. On the beach, make a rock to the beat. Jamaica fucking is a arena top, baby. Turn it around, bring it back to the top. Yo, jump, jump, that's on the top. Looking for Jamaica, listen up. Whether you live abroad or you stay on your yard, it's golden. Yeah, we're within the Independence Time season. We have to say, Jamaica, big up yourself now. Happy Independence Day when it come. Yo, what was that, Phil? Whoa, mix it up. We funkin' in Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah. Come back and say, do it, and jump to the beat. Do it, funkin' so sweet. Hey.
I tell you, say, you know, you see the Music Field Reggae Show, Yardstyle live. Yeah, we fit, you know. As I say, you know, this we are waiting at the sun. We're not wasting any time. We're not wasting this beautiful lawn. So any artists out there talk about the sun too hot, you know, you're the selections yet. Anyway, it's this song, one of my favorite songs. This is a song that I heard and we just fell in love with Althea Hewitt's voice and the whole ambience with her. Spoogy, drop the rhythm. Althea Hewitt, Yardstyle live, on the lands of Willie's Statue.
Oh, la, 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 yeah. Disturb the love, yeah. No school girl days. Telling tales and biting nails are gold. But in my mind, I know they will. like me a music feel. Yo, yo. And as I leave, I know that I'm missing my best friend. Someone who's taught me right from wrong and weak from strong. That's a lot to learn.
Thank you.
What can I give you in return? If you wanted the moon, I would try to make a start. 'Cause I would rather let you give my heart to serve with love. Yes, love or no.
I'll tell you it. This has been Yardstyle Live presents